Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to log out Google account on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, logging out of your Google account prevents any further activity or access to your account, maintaining your privacy and confidentiality. It also ensures that your account details, emails, and other sensitive information are secure and not exposed to others. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, open the Gmail application on your device. Next you can click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, and then from the drop-down menu, you can select Manage Accounts on this device. And then choose the specific account you wish to log out from your device. After that, click on Remove Account to proceed with logging out. Next, confirm the action by clicking once again. By removing the account from the device, you will be automatically logged out from Gmail. This process ensures that the selected account is no longer associated with the device, enhancing security and privacy by logging out effectively. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to log out Google account on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.